Good morning. So I want to talk to you a little bit about the science notebook, the science study notebook. I gave a lot of information in the Google Classroom today, so I kind of pelted you with a lot of science information and videos. Really, this comes down to just going out and exploring and seeing and lots of fun things. I love science, so I tend to give you too much, and so that I apologize. So inside your science notebook, we're going to go through page 40. It just talks about your child looking at the two pictures and circle and shows what this chapter is about. Now, parents, there's a lot of information and notes down at home, so you can do that, and that will help clarify things and simplify it as well. Then you have vocabulary cards. We typically don't cut them out. We review what the words say on the back, and then they can color the front. I like to do all the instruction first, have them work through it page by page, and then allow them to color once they're done, and I kind of see a little more mastery and understanding. So the big words that you're going to learn about today are move, parts, care, and grow. And what do plants do and how do they grow? What do they need to survive? How do we take care of them? Can they move if we move the sunlight and such? Page 43 might be a little bit of confusion. It's using these vocabulary words, and so you would just say which picture out of the first two shows one of the vocabulary words. It's a way to review the 4 vocabulary words, and so they're just looking at the 2 pictures and they're circling the one that shows what that word is about. As we continue on, I did give some videos to help with 44, 45, and 46. Again, that's going out, looking at the comparisons of leaves, looking at the comparisons of flowers, and the comparisons of plants. Not all plants look the same, and not all animals look the same. So we're going to talk a little bit about that comparison as well. It's really, like I said, the directions are all on the bottom. So on this one, they color the roots brown, they color the stem. Again, I gave you lots of videos to watch. I know you guys are becoming great experts of searching. So just go ahead and look through and talk about your plants. Now, I showed you a video of the plants that are seeds that the kids planted, and they're doing very, very well. Just make sure that the cotton balls weren't too wet. If you found that your seed kind of just mushed away, I know a few of ours mushed away into the cotton balls, go ahead and replant them. It takes about a week for them to germinate again and start to sprout. But I think you'll really like it. If you're finding no success with the cotton balls, you can just put them in a paper towel as well. Make sure it's wet, squeeze out the excess, put the seeds inside, fold it up, and stick it in the Ziploc bag. It'll work just as well. The cotton balls can be a little bit tricky, but it does allow us to see the roots. After 1 week in the paper towels, take them out, add them to the cotton balls. So that is our science notebook. Lots, really fast, all going in with our Jack and the Beanstalk. Hopefully you were able to watch a video or find a video. Super Why is really good. Reading Rainbow has an excellent Jack and the Beanstalk as well, and Disney does a few as well. Lots of options out there. I had success at the dollar store, so that's an option. Have a great day.